Presenting the all-new IQOO Z7 5G in the color legend. Built with 16 GB RAM and 256 GB storage for a smooth experience. It is also available in 8 GB RAM and 256 GB storage variant. Now let us look at the 2K AMOLED display. It has 77.8% more pixels than the 1080p display. Designed with 1440 Hz high-frequency and PWM dimming technology to reduce eye strain and provide a comfortable and high-quality viewing experience even in low light. The Gen5 sensors dual-pixel Pro technology in the 50-megapixel camera for improving the autofocus function. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile platform adopts TSMC 4nm process which has 10% higher CPU peak performance and 20% higher GPU peak performance than Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. It is also equipped with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. Moving on to its powerful graphic V2 chip delivers better gaming and photography experience for shooting better night videos and photos. It can increase the frame rate from 45 fps, 60 fps to 90 fps and 120 fps respectively. IQOO Z7 120-watt flash charge can power 50% of the battery in just 8 minutes and 100% of the battery in just 25 minutes. The box includes the mobile phone, protective film, eject tool, quick start guide, protective case, charger, earphone jack adapter, data cable, important information and warranty card. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay and net banking. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.